2012 and in 2017. Game on, we're all set to go. Nice crowd building up here this Friday night under lights at Eden Park. Here's Kyle Jamieson to Tony de Zorzi, one slip in place. On the leg side. His head gets into some space and it will race away for four. Not where intended, but he'll take the boundary.
Yes, Paul.
Pressure on Mulder finally pays off, and it's Lockie Ferguson who picks up the first wicket.
Well, this is hit smartly, it really is. Curse the player, Mike, as well. It's done its job once again for New Zealand. Ferguson full, just not getting over the top of it, and that is hit so well, but that's a sharp catch, like a slip catch. To the top, we are along the ground at this ground.
Counted 3 today, but in early, following the wicket of Vian Mulder. Oh, dropped! He had it, but it just popped out. Jimmy Neesham. 7 for 1. Yep, that's what happens here at Eden Park. That's gone all the way for 6. That's better. Nice runs flowing for South Africa in this third. Straight down the ground this time. Classy from Connor Esterhuizen. 15 from the over, 22.
Not once.
That's high in the air and caught. Nick Kelly with an excellent catch. And another wicket goes down. This time it's Connor Esterhuizen.
Yeah, changed it up. New Zealand skipper brought himself on. And when we talk about the quicks getting bounced, so do the spinners, and that's it high on the bat. Just rushed on. It's going to look like South Africa might have something happening, and Esterhuizen.
Great use of the feet, just out of reach of that field. It will go for 4. Jason Smith off the mark.
Backing away, gave himself room, hit over cover. That's going for 4. That's a lovely shot, and it's very well thought out. Still slow ball bouncer too. That's a top edge. Chance gone. Length back, got the top edge. Catch taken, and a good one at that. Excellently thought out by Ben Sears, the New Zealanders. They have a third. South Africa in a bit of trouble here.
Yeah, once again, he's got out looking to hit leg side. This time on the ramp shot, out on the sweep. The second game. Zorzi is out for 15, 36.
Ruben Herman will join over the top this time. That's how quickly they'll fly away. Just a hint of width. Full.
Catch it.
Oh my word, he is good. Smith cannot believe this. The turn from Santner, bolted outside off stump, went to swing at it, misjudged it completely. Easy catch for Conway.
Made that 3 times that he's got Jason Smith out. That wider line. Talk this game, and now for Mitchell Satness.
Yeah! Got him. McConkey gets the under edge. That's the end of Herman. It's a short stay, and New Zealand are having their merry way with the Proteas tonight.
Loves bowling to left-handers, Cole McConkey. That wider line, the last delivery of the over. Bowlers are looking to push it wider. Just, man's gone for 4, 46 for 5.
Driven, they won't be able to cut this off. That's a lovely shot. Just got a little. That's it hard. That has gone all the way.
Just as they're rebuilding, New Zealand strike again, and this time it's Jimmy Neesham. The golden arm, Jimmy Neesham, back into the attack. Only takes 1 ball. Just as that partnership was getting going, just as you felt as though they were starting to get the measure of conditions. Smart catch by Tim Roberts. But his innings comes to an end. 17 for him today, South Africa. It's unfortunate from the South African perspective. A nifty little shot from Gerald Coetzee will bring him a welcome boundary. Straight down the ground this time. Go all the way for 6.
That's easy.
The ball flies here, Eddie.
The format.
Boundary to finish the Neesham over off. Thanks for your time, Tom, and best of luck with the bet tonight, mate. Close to 160. Oh! First ball 4. One, or at least 2. Well, he does have one now. Through to the keeper. Oh, George Linder will be so disappointed. They're all the hard work. That's South Africa lose another. Saying, what has he got to do? That's exactly it. Just runs it across. Again, it's the off-cutter. The bounce going away from Linda. Smart catch. Look at Taker's chart today. Here's Kyle Jamieson. She been there until the end. Another one for Kyle Jamieson. 1 brings 2. And South Africa now lose wicket number 8. Well, he had to wait a little while to get his first, and now he's got 2 and an over. Here's Jamieson. This time it's pace on. Cross seamer. It's Coetzee just trying to run the ball through that vacuum. Coetzee up, gone. Hello! Welcome to Eden Park, Ngobani Mokoena.
Charge bowled him, knocked him over. Full and straight. That's the way to do it, to the tail end.
Picked up wickets in the last game, Ben Sears. Done it once again here tonight. Maybe just a little skid off that cross-seam delivery. Ben Sears. Maharaj gone for 3, 1-1-2 for...
Oh, that's handy. That's really good. It was a slower ball, but it just sat there and asked to be hit. Got that for 4. Finally managed to get one. Finally managed to get some bat on it. Bang, you beauty. That's the way to finish the innings. Longest boundaries, he cleared it comfortably. 26 from 20 for the young man, Mokoena. 136, and then not bowled out as well. That's a really good effort from him in difficult circumstances for his country.